Okay. Now tell me, for this post order, we will be first visiting left, then right, then root. Post order, we are making root at the end. That's the only difference. For pre-order, root at the beginning. For post order, root at the end. Always left, right, and then root, or root, left, right. Understood? We are not changing the order between left and right. Always left come first and then right. Okay. So you keep it in mind that for post order, we are visiting root at the end. Okay. So the same algorithm we are writing with that order difference. Recursively travel the left subtree, then recursively travel the traverse right subtree, then visit root node. Okay. So the same technique here. Now tell me which will be visited first. So when we reach root, it will check the order. For post order, I should not print myself. So it will one will be so one will be thinking that I should not be printing first. So first it will check whether I'm having a left subtree. When it reaches 2, it is again a root of another subtree which is having a left and right. So it will, the order is first we have to print the left. So it will move on to 4. When it reaches 4, it understood that I am the root of another subtree which is having a left and right. So one with the left and no right. So first, then it will try to print the left. So on reaching 8, it understood that it is not having any left and right. So it is the root node. And it doesn't have any other subtree. So it will be printing 8. 8 will be printed first. Because it is the only subtree or the only left or right. Anything we can take because we didn't tilt to left and right. Standing at 4, it is having only one, we can take it as a left. So it is having only one, that is 8. So we printed that. So 4 will think my left and right is over. So now I can print myself. So now it will be printing 4. After it, we will be printing 4. Now it will go back to 2. Standing at 2. 2 will check whether my left and right is over. Only left is over, right? Standing at 2. So 2 will think my right also has to be printed. So it will be printing 5. Now standing at 2, it will see that both its left and right is over. So myself I should be printing. So it will be printing 2. So now it will go back to 1. It will check whether my left and right is over. Only left is over, right? So it will be going to right, trying to print right. So reaching at 3, it will check. I am the root node of another subtree, whether my left and right is over. So I will try to print my left. So when it reaches 6, it will understand that 6 itself is a root node of another subtree which is having left. So it will take 9 and it will print 9. Now it will go back to 6 and check whether my 6 will check whether my left and right is over. Only left is over, so it will print right also, which is 10. After printing left and right, 6, now it's all clear. Left and right is over, so I'll print myself. 6, it will print itself. It will go back to 3. 3 will check whether my left and right is over. Left is over, right is not over, so it will print 7. Then it will print itself because it's the root 3. Now going back to 1, it will check whether my left is over, left is over, right is over, right is also over. Now it will print itself, which is 1. So tell me the order.
8, 4, 5,
8, 4,
9,
5, 2, 9, 10,
10, 6, 7, 3, 1.
Okay. Okay. So this animation is not working. So we will move on to this example. Now, post order traversal. Selvi and Marlene, anyone is there? You're just switching it on and going. Nikita Mary. Okay, anyone try out? You can try, no, anyone can. So starting at F. Starting at F. Then what will be the post order? Tell me. Anyone, or you can solve in your.
Ma'am.
So from F, it will check for the left. So when it move to B, it will again check for the left. So it will be printed now. Left of B is A. Then right of B is D. So D again, it will check it is having a subtree. So a root node, no D. So it will try to print the left of D, which is C. Right of D is E. Then the root is D. Now it will go back to B. B will check whether my left is over. Yes, left is over. Right is over. Yes, right is also over. So it will print itself. That is D. Now standing at F, it will see. It should not be. 1 second. Standing at F, it will check whether my left subtree is over. Left is over. Now standing at F, it will check whether my right is over. Right is not over, right? So what it will do? It will take the right. So reaching G, it will understand it is a root of another subtree. So it has to print the left and right first. Left is not there, then it will print the right. When it reached I for printing, it understood that it is a root node of another subtree which is having a left. So it will try to print left. So H is printed first. Then it standing at I, it will see it is not having any right. So it will print itself I. Then go back to G. G is not having any left. Its right is already printed. Then it will print G. Then it will go back to F. It will check whether left is printed. Yes, left is printed. Right is also printed. Then it will print itself F. So you can check the last line, the order, this one. A, C, E, D, D, H, I, G, F. Are you getting? So tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
Nikita P, this one post order. Anyone? No, you can. Nikita, you can. So standing at 1,
First
it will be checking whether
checking for
left
and
right. So 2 is the left.
right.
When it is standing at 2, it will try to print the left. 4 it will not print because it is a root node of another subtree. So it will take left.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will take
7,
left.
ma'am.
When it reaches 7, it will check whether left is there. Left is not there. Then whether it is having
not
right.
there. So
Right is 9.
it will print
9.
Yes.
9 is printed.
9 printed.
Left
Then it will go back to
7, right?
root.
Because left is not there,
7.
right we printed. Then we have to print root. Root is 7. Then it will go back
7.
to
Back to 4. Then 4 will be printed, ma'am.
Because left is over, right is not there. Then
right is not there.
Then 4. It will print 4.
Then again goes back to 2.
Left
2 left is printed, ma'am. So it will be printing 5 right node.
Then it will print.
Then again move back to 2, printing
2.
Then again goes back to 1, ma'am. 1 left side is over. Then right side we have 3. 3 it has a subtree, but it doesn't have a left node, so it will be printing this 6, ma'am. 6 also has a sub.
It will take 6, but it will again, it is the
6
root node of.
Yes, ma'am. Root node of another subtree.
Will not
It doesn't have a left. Yes, ma'am. It will not print
6.
6 doesn't have a left node, ma'am. So it will print the right node 8.
8.
8. Then again goes back to 6. And it will print itself, ma'am. Then again moves back to 3. 3 will also print itself, and again 1 will and then 1 will be printed.
Okay. So that order will be for the post order. You can check.
7.
9, 7, 4, 5, 2, 8, 6, 3.
2, 8, 6, 3.
Someone else, Tom or anyone, you can answer this one. Tom, you can tell post order. Are you there? Trying. Start from 2, right?
2, 7, 2, 6, 5.
It will go to
What is on the Tom is kept something on over there. Background something I'm listening. Huh?
that's my brother. No?
Brother. Okay.
Yeah.
So from 2, it will try to print the left. So left,
Yeah.
we reach 7. Again, it is
It
having
will go
a
to
2. So again, standing at 2, it will be printing
go
the
to 6.
6, right?
It will go to 6.
Print the 6. Then the right is
5.
5. Then
No, and 6 is not having a right or left.
then 6 is the left of 2, right?
Yeah.
Standing at 2, it will
6
see whether the left and right is printed. Left is 6.
Yeah.
So we will print 6 first. Then standing at 2, right is 5, right? So it will be printing
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
So it will be printing 5. Then
6.
after left and right, what we have to print?
Then 2 will be printed.
2 will be printed.
And post order, no?
Post order. Where are you?
No.
Are you listening? So
Same,
post
same.
order means
Yes, ma'am.
left, right, and root. So now 2 is over.
2 is over.
So it will go back to 7.
Then 11 and 7.
After
It
that,
will-
11. Yeah, 11
From
and then 7.
Then 7.
Okay.
Then it will 5 and 2. It will
Then it
print
will
5
go
and
to
2.
right side, right? So 5 will be printed, or which will be printed in the right side when it reaches 5?
5 will be printed.
5 it will be printed.
No, it will,
Reaching
when
at
it
5, it
reaches
is the
2.
root node. No, it is not having any left. It is having
yeah.
a right. So when it takes right, it reaches 9. So it will not print 9. Again, it will be checking whether it is the root of another subtree, right? Which is not having any left.
Yes.
So it will be printing first what? You tell me. Reaching at
Now
9.
it will be print.
Left is
It will
not there.
print
Then
4.
4 it will print.
It will go to 4 now.
4 will be printed. So standing at 9, left is not there, right we printed. Then what we will print?
Then 9 will be
9
printed.
will be printed. Now go back
4,
to 5.
9,
Left is
5.
Not there, right we already printed.
Right is printed.
Then
Root will be printed.
Root is 5. Right? So now reaching at 2, we will see that left is
printed.
Right is also printed. So now it has to
root
print
will be
2.
printed.
Okay. So check the order now. I have kept one more trouser. This is the order, right? 6, 5, 6, 5, 2, 11, 7. Did I miss anything in between? 7 I didn't print. Okay. 7 I didn't write. 7, 4, 9, 5, 2. Okay. All are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now one more traversal in case they are asking. I have kept the level order traversal. What is level order traversal? Level order traversal. We have to traverse level by level. This is what? This is level 0. This is level 1. This is level 2. And this is level 3. So in which order we will be traversing? And we will be printing first in level 0. So we will be printing 2. Then we will traverse the second level. Then we will, so we will be printing 7. Then 5. Then 2. Then 11. Then 9. Then 6, 5, 4. Okay. So they have kept, as I told, this is a BFS traversal. Level order traversal is coming under BFS traversal, and the order will be level by level. So it will be 2 first, then 7, 5, then 2, 11, 9, 7, 5, 4. So